Biguman sa kanilang laban kontra New Zealand. Gumawa pa rin ng ingay ang Jordan naturalized player na si Rondae Hollis Jefferson. Nagtala ng 39 points ang dating PBA import, naging dahilan para ikumpara siya ng ilang basketball fans sa late NBA legend na si Kobe Bryant. Ano naman kaya ang masasabi ni Hollis Jefferson dito? Nagbabalik si Daryl Oclares.
Mula sa hairstyle, estilo ng paglalaro at maging sa suot niyang numero na 24, maraming mga basketball fans ngayon ang nakapansin ng pagkakapareho ng Jordan naturalized player na si Rondae Hollis Jefferson at ang namayapang NBA Hall of Famer na si Kobe Bryant. Matapos ang kanyang 24-point performance laban sa Greece nitong nakaraang Sabado, 39 markers naman ang ibinuhos ni Hollis Jefferson kagabi kontra sa New Zealand na pinakamataas na naitala ng isang FIBA player matapos ang 47 points ni Dirk Nowitzki noong 2006. Dahil sa kanyang magandang ipinakita sa kanyang mga laro, nakatanggap ang former PBA import ng Kobe chant sa Mall of Asia Arena tuwing titira ito mula sa free throw line. Sa naging panayam ng media kay Hollis Jefferson matapos ang laro, inilahad niya na sa kanyang murang edad ay naririnig na niya ang ilang mga kwento patungkol sa tinaguriang The Black Mamba.
It felt great. I told a few people this, but when I was growing up, a lot of like the older people in my neighborhood played against Kobe in high school, and a lot of them were friends with him or knew him, and they told me just how his work ethic was as a kid, 11, 12 years old or whatever. He always had a basketball in his hand. He just loved the game so much. He was a student of the game, and I just love to hear those stories. It's just an honor. It's an honor. Words can't describe it though.
Bagamat kasalukuyan ang naglalaro para sa Jordan, handa naman ang 6'6" forward sakaling mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makabalik sa NBA.
Yeah, definitely. That's the goal, to get back closer to home, to be able to compete at the highest level. So if they call, I'm definitely ready.
Do you think your performance today might inspire some GMs to give you a call?
I hope so. At the end of the day, it's up to them. All I need is one to believe in me. That's it.
Samantala, kinumpirma rin mismo ni Hollis Jefferson na matapos ang World Cup ay muli siyang babalik sa Pilipinas sa Oktubre para muling maging import sa PBA. Daryl Oclares, PTV Sports.